A federal high court in Port Harcourt on Thursday sacked Mr. Dumo Lulu Briggs as the governorship candidate of a court party for the 2019 governorship election on Saturday, 9th March 2019. The court declared that Mr. Precious Baridoo, who was duly nominated during the October 4, 2018 Accord Party governorship, is the authentic candidate of the party. Justice Emmanuel Obley of the Federal High Court, Port Harcourt, declared that Mr. Dumo Lulu Briggs cannot participate in the governorship election because he was not duly nominated at the party's primary. Justice Obley stated that Lulu Briggs did not participate in the party's October 4, 2018 governorship primary, hence he cannot be their candidate. The court stated that the defendant failed to challenge the affidavit of the plaintiff to controvert the facts contained therein. Justice Obley ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to enlist the name of Precious Baridoo as the Rivers State governorship candidate of a court party. The court directed INEC to remove the name of Dumo Lulu Briggs as the Rivers State governorship candidate for a court party. It will be recalled Sir Precious Baridoo told the court that he was duly nominated during the party's governorship primaries on October 4, 2018, before he was illegally substituted with the name of Chief Dumo Lulu Briggs, who didn't participate in the party's governorship primaries. He stated that Chief Dumo Lulu Briggs cannot claim to be governorship candidate of a court party when he was not even a member of the party. Counsel to Precious Baridoo, Mr. Wari described the judgment as victory for democracy. He said that the rule of political engagement must be respected.
Specifically, the court had declared that the candidate of a court party is my client, Honorable Precious Baridoo, and not the man who purported to be the candidate because he never participated in the primaries. To say that when you forcefully collect what belongs to a small boy and then you raise your hand, there shall come a time when the hand will be weak and then the hand will come down. That is what has happened today in court. Someone who was never a member of the Accord Party, someone who on the fourth day, after the 4th day of October 2018, when the primaries of the Accord Party was conducted, was a member of the All Progressive Congress and also participated in their primaries. Someone who never participated in the primaries of the Accord Party, but went by state, maybe because of affluence, to acquire or purported to acquire the candidature, even when the party conducted primaries and had a candidate. And so when the plaintiff became aggrieved and went to court, the court today, having examined all the documents, the cases of the parties, had heard that the rightful candidate of the Accord Party is the plaintiff. And that is what has transferred today.
For democracy. This is to stop impunity and imposition of candidates on political parties. To God be the glory. The victory belongs to God and Rivers people. I urge my supporters to prepare for the election. Thank you.
Lawyer to Dumo Lulu Briggs stated that they will challenge the judgment at the Court of Appeal.
We have an opportunity of appealing against the judgment since we are dissatisfied with it. And by the grace of God, we are going to file appeal immediately and then also seek we also pray the Court of Appeal to stay execution of this judgment to enable a court party to present candidate for this coming gubernatorial election. That's how we're taking it.